Meet VADY, your AI data assistant. VADY offers a seamless conversational experience with any database in the world. And yes, we are not using LLMs. Instead, we have developed objective-driven AI models that are better at context, planning, and reasoning from a database perspective. Let's see how VADY works. What was my profit for the financial year 2023? Here's your profit. Now, quarterly breakdown. Great. If you prefer, you can view this in a tabular format. Want to explore further? Click on the AI Summary feature. Here's a quick breakdown of the quarterly profit analysis. Quarter 3 saw the biggest revenue boost, while Quarter 4 had the sharpest decline. Most of the year's earnings came from Quarter 1 and Quarter 3 combined. Now, product-wise breakdown. The hiking backpack was the weakest, reducing profits significantly. So ask to VADY why it's happening in our business. It will give you all the relevant KPIs to answer your why. Don't have time to dig through KPIs? Ask AI to create an executive summary for you. Earnings before interest and taxes, rising overall costs, increased depreciation, decline in returns on capital employed, decreased operating margin. You might be curious if VADY can create a dashboard for you? Absolutely. Just list down your KPIs. Great. VADY is on it. And it's done. Click the link to view. Looks catchy, right? You can deep dive into your data and find your actionable items. Moreover, feel free to ask any data questions in plain English, right here. Hey, which states experienced a revenue drop of more than 5% month-over-month in financial year 2024? Could you compare the revenue and expenses for each state in financial year 2023? What's the percentage contribution of the top 5 states to my overall profit? Can you provide me the region-wise profit details for the financial year 2024? Show me the top 5 states with highest financial year 2024 costs and monthly trend. You can also upload CSV, Excel, or Google Sheet and start asking the questions. Your file uploaded successfully. Here are the details. Can you share the monthly unit sales for financial year 2024? Great. Or you can ask, top 5 products with maximum units sold? Wow, isn't that really easy? As we are not using LLM, so it will ensure that your data and schema won't leave your infrastructure. Meet our clients. Thank you and happy data democratization.